Romeo. This is supposed to embody what's going on in this. Fuck Wyatt, yeah, big Wyatt. No, you can't touch it! Town. The thing about Romeo is that he uses these words. Now, I know you don't like to talk a lot. But can you just like, there's a classic pose. Can you just show us the classic pose of Romeo longing for Juliet as she longs for him? Romeo, that's the same pose. That's the same one. Do you think I wouldn't notice? Try something else, please. Juliet, keep longing. Keep longing. Much better, Romeo. Thank you. What do you do, Juliet? Oh, look at you. Climb up it. Balcony. I think we need a moon. Pretty romantic. Yeah, keep going. Balcony. Can we try another choice for the moon? Okay. Go back to the balcony. Go back to the balcony. I like that, yeah. You insist on being the moon. Okay. We have 2 moons. What's going on? Is that a choice or is this a misunderstanding? It's a big moon. Super moon. Super moon. Excellent. Romeo, stand away from the super moon.